Hello again, friends. This video is going to be about registers in Helix. So registers are basically storage locations that are identified by a character for storing things like yanked text or other information. So let me show you what this means. You can access a register with the quotation mark. So now I just press quotation mark here. And now I can see this register menu here, and it shows me a bunch of registers, and I will talk about those later. I just want to show you how you can create your own registers. And you can do that by basically just pressing quotation mark and then any letter. So let me just do quotation mark J here. And now I can basically just put information into this register right now. So if I now press Y, I will yank whatever I selected before, which in this case was just this one letter here. And I will have yanked or copied that selection to register J. So let me do this again with the whole word here. I will select it, then press quotation mark, then the register I want to use, in this case J, and then I will press Y. And now I yanked this word here into this register J. So now if I want to paste this, I can go here and then I can press quotation mark again. And now you can see here at the top there, it'll show my register. It will show the J register and the contents, which in this case is this word. And now I can just select this register again with J and then press P. So in short, quotation mark, the name of the register, and Y yanks whatever you selected into that register, and quotation mark, register name, P, pastes it. And let me do this again with another word. Let me get this word here, and now I will yank this to a different register, in this case the F register, so quotation mark, F, Y. And now if I press quotation mark, you can see now I have these two registers there. The F register and the J register. And Helix is really friendly here, just tells you immediately like what custom registers you have and what you have in those registers. You don't have to guess anything here. And yeah, it's as simple as that basically. But of course, as you can see, there are also not just custom registers that you can add, but there are also predefined registers. And let me just show you a few of those. And here they are. For example, this register here is the / register, and this always shows the last search. So if I search for something here, let's say test, and now if I press quotation mark / and P, I can paste like what I searched last for, my last search term. And as you can see, it will also be here in my register menu. There's also colon, and this basically contains the last executed command. Then there is the quotation mark register, and this has the last yanked text. So whatever you yanked last, that will be stored automatically in this register. Then there is last recorded macro. We will talk about macros in another tutorial, by the way. And then there's this one, the underscore register. This just means no values are returned, so it basically returns nothing. Then there is the period register. This always has the contents of the current selection and it's not writable. And then there is the %sign register, and this has the name of the current file. And last but not least, there's this one, the plus register, and this always has the contents from the system clipboard. And there's this one, this is the asterisk register, and it has the contents of the primary clipboard. And yeah, that's basically it for this video, guys, I think. See you in the next video. Bye.